Another person who was facing that is ACT Teachers Party List Representative Franz Castro, who, along with 12 others, was found guilty of child abuse by a court in Davao del Norte. Marian Enriquez reports.
A Tagum Regional Trial Court in Davao convicted ACT Teachers Party List Representative Franz Castro, former Bayan Muna Representative Saturo Ocampo, and 11 others of child abuse. The case stemmed from a solidarity mission they did back in 2018 involving Lumad schools in Talaingod, Davao del Norte. Castro, in a press conference today, maintained that they only sought to rescue minors from a paramilitary group that took hold of the area, but they were then charged with kidnapping and child trafficking. The court has now reduced the charges to just child abuse. In its decision, the court said the group failed to take the necessary precautions to ensure the safety of the children while they were being transported. Castro said she is dismayed over the verdict.
As teacher, ang naging trabaho ko naman talaga ay pangalagaan yung kapakanan ng mga estudyante. At ganitong kaso pa yung ikakaso sa akin, no, yung child abuse. Kaya parang masama yung loob ko sa ganitong desisyon ng judge.
Castro and the other co-accused now face 4 up to 6 years in prison and 20,000 pesos in fines. But since the charge is a bailable offense, they can enjoy freedom while they appeal the verdict.
Binigit namin ng assurance na lalabanan namin itong kaso hanggang ma-dismiss. Wala sa background namin ang ma-involve sa anumang hindi ka-nais-nais na activity. Malakas
po ang loob namin na ito ay madidismiss at the end of the rope, no? At haharapin namin ito. Hindi kami magtatago, no? Hindi namin iiwasan ang batas.
Castro also called on President Bongbong Marcos to help Lumad children and ensure their well-being and access to education.
Ako personally, nananawagan kay President Marcos Jr. na pangalagaan itong ating mga Lumad children. Sila yung na marginalized, no, sa matagal ng panahon, napabayaan yung ating mga Lumad children.
Despite this latest legal battle, Castro said she will remain focused on her duties in Congress as well as her senatorial bid next year. For News 5, Marian Enriquez, we are One News.